Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Digital Classroom, the short series in which I give tips about how to shoot images that I actually shot during our workshops. Now during the workshops we of course do different sets, mostly 3 or 4 sets in one workshop. And in these short tips I only show you the lighting setup for one. And today we have one with a very nice code. It's this image. And let's talk about how I shot this one. Now for this image I wanted something else. I just love the way that the coat looked, and Nadine is actually wearing it inside out at this moment. So not really how it's supposed to be, but that's photography, right? Creativity to the max. Now I really liked this background from Click Backdrops in combination with the coat. They all have that really nice painterly effect. But I also wanted to do something with the lines in the backdrop. So that's why in some of the images I choose a slightly lower angle and shoot up. And that way, with your composition and with the skew of the image, you can create something that has really nice dynamic. You can of course just shoot a model straight on from eye's perspective, but in most cases that's a little bit boring. I like to go on a slightly higher viewpoint or a slightly lower viewpoint, shoot with a wider angle and create that really nice effect of motion in a shot. So what did I use for lighting? One medium-sized G-Koto softbox on the GT400, also from G-Koto of course, aimed down at our model. I wanted something with the light just coming from above, not just straight on, but I wanted a nice light fall off. To open up the shadows on the other side, we're using a large silver reflector. The silver reflector bounces back the light into the coat and just opens up the shadows a little bit. If you want more accent light or want more light, you can of course always place a second light source there. Or if you're more creative, something with a color, for example a gel. So this is how I shot this shot. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Maybe you see your question answered in the next video in our Digital Classroom series. Bye guys!